If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll update you every day on new incoming inventory. Right now you're looking at a 2018 BMW M550xi flood damaged vehicle that we're in the process of repairing. It does run and drive. Everything works inside. The water line appears to be very low. You don't see any water in the lights. It looks like it was right below this little grill piece here. You can see where the water settled, and up here it's clean, so that's a good indication that the water line was very low. Started right up, runs, everything powers up inside. Let's take a look around the car. We're going to go through the entire vehicle, make sure everything works, make sure nothing's rusted or corroded, make sure there's no moisture inside, dry everything out. We have a lot of experience with flood damaged vehicles. We spend a lot of time to get them right, so this way the future owner does not have any problems. What we tend to do with these vehicles, we'll tear them down completely, down to the bare metal inside, and dry everything out, clean everything, check all the contacts, check all the modules, hook it up to a scanner, make sure the interior is completely dry. Right now the carpets are not wet, but we'll still check the cushions underneath. This car has every single option for this year. Nice wood grain. Everything's powered up, as you can see. We didn't even detail it or clean it at all. This is the way it came in. But we're going to tear it down probably this afternoon and get working on it. Bring it back to its original state. The body's very clean. We'll do an update video when it's done and post some pictures on the site when it's ready with prices, details. Any interest, give us a call. Thanks for watching.